I'm cycling the Isle of Wight and it's fantastic! Woo! I'm starting very early today. It's 6 o'clock in the morning and I want to see the sun over the cliffs. Don't mind me right now. I'm barely awake. By the way, it's my second day here on the Isle of Wight. Yesterday I made some bicycle, I flew some drone. Now that's here's the promenade and it looks pretty nice. In the morning it's nobody here, nobody's running. So you got place for the skateboard and anything you need. It's a pretty nice and interesting place, the Isle of Wight. That's the Brunswick Hotel, where I am right now. It's a typically English hotel, Victorian style. It's for me a new experience to be here. A totally brand new experience to be here. Oh, here's gonna be stiff again. Let me cut the chit chat and let's ride a little bit. Good morning, Isle of Wight. I came down on the promenade. You can see there is nobody here around. No cars, anything. You can carve, you can cruise. And by the way, I've told you I'm on the Isle of Wight. And this is in UK if you don't know. And here on the Isle of Wight, I'm on Shanklin. Shanklin is the city. It's a very beloved place to make holidays for the English people, and not just for the English people. I found it very interesting, very nice. It's a kind of island that has the Italian feeling, but with a flair from the Hobbit because of the buildings, all the cottages and stuff. And it's pretty interesting, the place. It's intriguing me. It's intriguing me to explore more. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's have a look at the model village. So it's a lovely place to see. You learn something about the island and it's everything with so many details. I quite enjoy. I was just changing the battery of the GoPro cam. Today is my third day on the Isle of Wight, and we start in a small Amazon zoo. So I'm at a garlic farm, as you can see. You know, garlic is not so bad when you eat it fresh. It doesn't smell, and you can eat a lot, it's no problem. But nowadays you ain't gonna get any fresh garlic at the supermarket. You have to come to a garlic farm. It's amazing how much stuff you can do with garlic. Yeah? They're so small. They are ponies. They're really ponies. Really small. Well, I'm in Ventnor right now, and it has a very relaxed atmosphere. Like, maybe later I'm gonna see the botanical garden and fly my drone.
Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. I've been going out of my head. I've been waiting for someone to give me help. All I'm asking for is just some space and some time, then I'll be alright. I've been having thoughts in my mind I can't get out. Tell me things I can't say myself, from you and nobody else. Everything is out of my sight. This is all so new to me. I can do it all in your way. Say all the things that you say. I can do it all in one night. When I go out, the light doesn't shine on me. I fade out. It's all so new to me. I need you, someone to show me the way. The light doesn't shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me, shine on me. Shine on me.
This behind me is the cricket club of the Isle of Wight, and it's right beside the botanical garden. So what is my conclusion about the botanical garden? It's very interesting, but I have a top 3 and it couldn't make it in the top 3. In Cuba, at Soroa, the Orchidario, this is one of the best gardens, step hill gardens I've ever seen, with plants from all over the world. And the second place is Jardin Majorel in Marrakesh, in Morocco, also very interesting. And the third place is on Ischia, Giardini Mortella Garden. And until now I just have this top 3. This garden didn't make it in the top 3. It's so cool! Woohoo! From all the places I like God's Will a lot, because It's kind of different with all the cottages. It's a little bit touristic. It has this nice church and of course the model village. So let's speak a little bit about what I found most interesting on the Isle of Wight. And my number one place was the garlic farm. I find this place amazing, fascinating, because I never knew how many things you can do with garlic and how tasty it is when it's fresh. Because, you know, nowadays you don't get fresh garlic at a supermarket. It's like this. That's why it smells. But at the garlic farm you can eat how much you want and nothing's gonna smell in the evening. Yeah, I've tried. And it's also about the place itself. The kitchen is nice, yes. I got the best chicken burger ever with some garlic mayonnaise and it was fantastic. And then there is the farm itself. They are having some ponies over there. Quite nice, quite cute. It's an amazing place to see, to taste, to visit. The garlic farm.
I got your letter. Guess this is better. You win sometimes, lose sometimes. No need to apologize. It was the distance we had between us. You broke us down in disguise. No need to apologize. Ooh, 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 ooh. But I can help that I miss you now, and I need to reminisce this 'cause we're still at our moments and they keep coming back to me. I can't help that I miss you now.
Then I would say the Amazon Zoo world was very interesting. It's a small zoo, but I was amazed how nice it is to be there, to visit. The stuff you see there. Then there is the coastal path from Shanklin to Ventnor. I enjoyed this path. It was amazing. The woods are so nice. The churches, the cottages, the view. It's pretty nice. And you can end taking a swim at Ventnor at the beach, which is also spectacular. Then there is the Chine in Shanklin, the Shanklin Chine, which is a very special place. It's like a canyon with a lot of woods and lights. They are making live music sometimes. Then the best pub in Shanklin, I think it's the Steamer Scene. The Steamer Scene, I have most of my fun, best food, and of course original Guinness beer. Oh, Dinosaur Farm, all right. Look at the ships over there. I think they are a little bit traumatized because they got a haircut. I'm gonna try to have a look at the Dinosauria farm, Dinosauria museum. I've noticed on the Isle of Wight they've discovered a lot of new Dinosauria skeletons, new species, and it's important. Let's have a look. It's so cool! Woo! It's a wonderful day, but I can see the rain. It's right over the cliff over there, over the sea. I think maybe in 20 minutes could be here. It's crazy. There are no clouds anywhere, just this one, and it's raining. And I hope it's not gonna come on my way. But you know how it is, you never know. So the dinosaur farm was interesting. It is just a place where they found the first fossils. I mean, it's something fascinating for all the people that saw Jurassic Park. Dinosaurs are always an interesting species. I did forgot to tell you something. I got my bicycle from the WIGHT cycling hire, and it's the best place to get a bicycle on the Isle of Wight. WIGHT cycling hire at Yarmouth. Great job, John. Thank you for the bike. I'm on a White Link ferry and I'm leaving the Isle of Wight right now after a 2 week trip, cycling trip on the island. Well, I started with a visit at Stonehenge, which was pretty interesting. It's on the way here, and of all my, here's a map of all the cycling tours I've made. That's the Isle of Wight. I was staying here in Shanklin at the Brunswick Hotel, and all the tours I've started or from there or I drove here and I started from the castle. And I've seen quite a lot on these tours. Let's have some island roasted coffee. Isle of Wight roasted coffee. By the way, I'm testing right now the Rode mic wireless go, and I'm quite curious how it's gonna work. Then I saw the alpacas farm, and the very interesting thing about this farm, there are not the animals themselves, but the fact that he has a wood oven pizza baking ristorante there, and you can enjoy the best Italian pizza here on the Isle of Wight at the alpacas farm. Yeah, I cycled the Red Squirrel Trail. This is an old railway line which was closed, and they put some, how do you call it, asphalt on it. You can cycle it. They made a bicycle path with no cars, so you are in the nature, between the fields, in the woods, and it's very nice to cycle the Red Squirrel Trail. You can see some red squirrels also. And on my way to the Needles, I pay a visit to the dinosaur farm. It's not a dinosaur museum. This is in Sundown, the big one, but they have the original place where they found some interesting bones, dinosaur bones, and they told me a lot of stories. It was nice to see. I did wanted to see the Osborne house, but I couldn't make it. So I guess I would have to come back on the island one day to see it. That's it. It was an amazing trip, 2 weeks, and now I'm on my way to London. I'm gonna fly back to Frankfurt. I have a few days there. And I'm gonna fly to Kenya for 2 weeks. It's gonna be a safari trip. Can't wait to do that.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Ay, coming in, yeah.